What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721, checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that has a release date of mid to late June. But before we get into that shoe, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the Jordan brand lineup for the month of May. First up, Jordan 9 Retro Chili Red. This one right here has a date of May 7th. Next up, we have the Air Jordan Retro 6 Midnight Navy. This one right here comes a couple days later on May 11th. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 11 Low 72 and 10. This one has a release date of May 14th. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 1 OG High Heritage. This one right here has a release date for May 25th. And last but not least, we have the Air Jordan Retro 5 Green Bean. This has a release date of May 28th. Every single pair of these retros right here for the month of May is available right now on FineLine1721.com, and they do ship out early. Now that we've taken a quick look at the May releases, let's go ahead and get into this June release. Taking a quick look at the box, dark gray box, textured concrete print all over, flight branding with the infrared Jumpman logo. Taking a quick look at the label, Air Jordan 4 Retro, dark gray, infrared 23, and black, size 8, we're gonna be taking a look at. Go ahead and flip this box open, peel this paper back, and let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Infrared. The first shoe that comes to mind when I see this colorway is the Air Jordan Retro 4 Green Glow, where you have kind of like the two shades of gray and a bright accent color on the waffle lace holder and on the Jumpman logo. Taking a quick look at the top-down view, black sock liner, infrared insole, infrared behind the tongue, gray tongue, black patch, infrared Jumpman logo, white flight branding underneath it, black laces, black net, and kind of like a dark gray mesh. Mid-gray toe box with the dark gray insert heading around to the lateral side of the shoe, black net, dark gray mesh behind it, infrared accent on the waffles. Want to say that the flap looks to be like dark gray, but it could be black. The same type of material that you come to expect from a Retro 4 is present, kind of like short hair, kind of suede, reminds you of Cool Gray's Bred 4s. Black and white midsole, milky white air bubble unit. The outsoles of the shoe has mixtures of white, black, gray, and infrared. Going around to the heels of the shoe, black tab, nothing behind it, gray Jumpman logo. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, everything is exactly the same as the lateral, nothing different there. So that about wraps it up for the quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Infrared. As stated, these joints definitely remind me of the Green Glow Jordan 4. If you are a fan of those, most likely you will be a fan of these. If you think that these are a clean colorway and you want to pick you up a pair, head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. They will be shipping out early ahead of the release date. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.